politically challenged, but I remember the days of Benazir, I remember the days of Nawaz Sharif, and I've certainly lived through days of Musharraf. And I can proudly say that he has done our country good.
These are the best days.
These are the best days.
Sure, people have said that Musharraf, how do you use the term politically
Destroyed
correct?
democracy?
No. Apart from destroying democracy, he has, of course, they say he takes favors. They say Pakistan is wrapped around America's little finger.
The first time when he was flying in, the plane was caught, and the picture came on BBC, and it had Musharraf, and it said the new Prime Minister of Pakistan, and there was this guy with a Kalashnikov and a cigarette in his mouth.
I caught it much
He was just standing there.
before that.
Musharraf is a star. I love it.
It's the army that protects the nation. It's the army that has done the coup, that has taken over, that has been the dictator, and we can all see how well that dictatorship has done for the country. We have the freedom to do what we want, and that we have the confidence in him that he will better our nation. And we may not be speaking very intellectually, but we are at 0.0001% of Pakistan.
On the camera. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early
Although
light?
America isn't my favorite nation, but Musharraf has to be America's friend for us to survive. And I think that's excellent.
He's a great guy.
Thank you. I shall leave now.
Well, he's done. This is us. We're making more money.
Right, yeah.
We're living it up. He's not really killing the mullahs, but he should.
He's literate.
I don't want him to
everyone
go.
else. Yeah,
That's
nobody
it.
wants him
I
to
don't
go.
want him to go.
Neither do I.
Hold on. You're going to vote for him. I'm going to vote for him. Is everybody going to vote for him?
Yeah.
You don't even know what's going on in
Nobody's
Pakistan.
gonna vote. Yes, I know what's going on.
Hey, you don't know these fucking mullahs. Do you know what they're doing?
Okay, well, one more thing. I have a car and I have a home and I have food on my table, but there are a lot of people that don't, and those people that don't have it, a lot of times I hear them say that they are very upset and their lives have gotten worse. We are a point, maybe a 5% of this country that party and that have water to drink and food to eat. The rest of our country suffers, and they suffer because they believed in democracy for so long that even though democracy is blinding, Musharraf doesn't seem good enough to them right now because he's taken over. And they're unhappy generally in their lives, and it's sad. It's very sad, and it's going to take years of revolution to get the Pakistani man that is not us, but a man on the streets that works and doesn't have food, has 8 children, has a hard life. He doesn't believe in it yet, and it's going to take us a long time to prove it to him that we're doing good right now, and it's going to get better.